Sailor power. So we got right here Sailor Uranus. This is one of the first LGBTQ plus characters in anime, if I can remember it properly. So she's actually the second character from the series who has a short hair and becomes a sailor warrior. So we're going to be opening her up, we're going to be checking out, seeing the details that this figure has and what we can do with her. This is an unboxing, this is a review right here, right now. Man, look at this from Figuarts Sailor Uranus. So let's check from side to side. Right here, you can really see the details that they made here. Pretty good from the side. Let's check the back. So at the back, you can see that her 4 different faceplates are showing 4 different emotions. Shock, nonchalant, determined, and smiling. And you have Sailor Moon there too. And she comes with a scimitar. So don't worry, we're going to be opening her up. So to open her up, this is the nice thing about Figuarts. They're a bit easy to open. Okay, we're doing it on the side. Okay. Then you just pull her out. Okay. That's how she looks like. It comes with this Sailor Uranus peg that you actually connect, and she can actually be standing. To connect it, you have to just place it this here and right there. This one connects to her torso. That means you can do any way. She can do a flying kick or anything. Okay, here you go. That's Sailor Uranus. Let's go a close-up. Okay, you can see. Look at the detail right there, the yellow hair. The sailor outfit that she has, which is actually from the Japanese schoolgirl's outfit. Long legs as well. And the boots. At the back, you'll have her, look at the detail there, you even have the ribbon at the back. And here as well, and look at the hair. It's very uniformed. No pun intended. So, she comes with 3 alternate heads and included a Sailor Moon additional head. And she comes with alternate hands as well right here. You have a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 alternate hands. Then we're going to be showing you here. You can check them out one by one. Okay, you can see she comes with a scimitar with jewelry inside. Same from the anime. And she can do a cross arms as well. Okay, you can make her stand like that using the peg holder, something to actually make her stand. And she can actually do a lot of the special effects she was doing in the show. So you use this, the same as what you're doing with the grab toys when you're playing those grab machines. And she can be doing a flying motion right there. Or you can place her sword, that's her sword, right here. Okay, you can place the sword. She can actually do an attack as well with it, easily, right there. And the nice thing about having a peg here is that you can make her do a few of these stunts that she was doing before. So she's doing a kicking motion, right there. And look at that. Using the sword as well on the side as well. Very nice. So you can take out the heads. The nice thing about Figuarts from Sailor Moon is that all of the hands are just in one big totem pole. That's one pole right there. And here you can change your face. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Just pull her head out. There, her hair gets pulled out easily. Pull her face out. Then you can put back her face. Let's say you want to place a serious face, or you want to place back the angry face. Let's put the serious face. How to put it back? See, there are 3 pegs there. Just go straight inside and then push. There. Next, you place the hair as well and push it back. There you go. Next, you get the peg, because everything here is actually customizable. So you can customize it. So we're going to customize. Place the hand again. You're going to hear a clicking sound. They are clicked already. And there. You can move this, doing your action like that. Simple, very easy. Okay, you can see I placed the blade nearer to her face. And the great thing about having the peg is that you can move it from one side, the other side, back. And the great thing about figure arts, for me, my opinion, is that they're easy to actually place back inside. The legs are a bit thin though. Okay, very beautiful figure. Really looks like her.